What's up, everybody? Today I'm bringing to you something you might find in a jazz club. Honey jazz melon. A little bit of honey, a little bit of jasmine, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Anyway, let's follow the music and learn how to make these. Let's go. Hello everyone, let's get to it. Starting on the left, we've got 225 grams corn syrup, 80 grams pure cane sugar. Back center, we've got 125 grams applesauce. Pulling up on the right, 40 grams gelatin, 7 grams cream of tartar with 1 gram malic acid, 2 ounces liquid coconut oil with 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon lecithin granules. We're going to keep this one a little simple, so we're going to use watermelon gelatin. For the flavored syrups, 1/4 cup of honey jasmine by Monin plus half of a cup watermelon. And we'll hit it with a little bit of this just to bring up that sweetness of touch. First into the pot, the gelatin and the sugar. Let's give those a quick little swirl. Alright. Let's throw this in there. It's got a bunch of flavor crystals that haven't powdered in here. Let's swirl that one in. Alright, getting a little too anal. Don't have to do that, they will dissolve. Next in, corn syrup. Followed by the applesauce. Let's go ahead and stir it up, baby. Alright, next up, all that syrup. And since we're here, go ahead and add some of this. Just 1 squirt. Alright, let's give it a little tasty poo. Oh, that's delicious. Alright, let's let this sit for that 7 to 10 minutes to allow the gelatin to bloom. We'll take it to the heat. Alright everyone, time to add that acid, so let me go grab it. And away we go! Alright, we're going to continue to stir this for the next 3 to 5 minutes. Unless it was like last batch. That one took like 9. But it was a bigger batch, so it's understandable. Alright, that's looking pretty good. So we're going to turn up the heat to bring it to that low simmering rolling boil, and then we'll add our acids. Alright, now it's time to add the acids. So let me grab that real quick. Here we go. Now we're going to stir for the next couple minutes to allow that water to evaporate. Alright, I'm going to turn up the heat a little, and then I'm going to go set up the pour station, so I'll see you over there. Alright everyone, here we go. And there you have it, honey jasmine. This is one of my all-time favorites that I've been doing for years. People love it, and I think you will too. So if you decide to try it, let me know. If you guys like this version, you'll like one of my harder versions. Uses real honey, and we get rid of the watermelon gelatin. So if you want to see that sometime, let me know. And if you need any help, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.